everyone, today we will show you how to fix the issue when the printer is not printing any colors. First, check whether there is enough ink in the ink bottles. Next, inspect the ink tubes and the entire ink supply system to make sure there are no leaks or loose connections. If there is still ink inside the ink sac, the issue may be related to the printhead. Open the top cover. Remove the 4 screws, locate the cable, and make sure it's securely connected. If the cable is secure, the issue may be caused by a clogged printhead, and a printhead cleaning should be performed. You can refer to the printhead cleaning tutorial video for detailed instructions. If the printer still cannot output ink after cleaning, the printhead may be damaged, and the printhead will need to be replaced. If the issue still persists, please contact our customer support team for further assistance.